Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to permanently delete apps from App Store on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to permanently delete apps from App Store on iPhone is, first, you need to make sure you delete the application from your iPhone. To do this, you can just come to the app menu, press and hold the application, click on remove app, and then delete application. Or better still, you can just go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on general, locate iPhone storage, click on it, and then scroll down to all apps, click on show all, and scroll down until you get to the application you want to delete permanently on your iPhone as well as on the App Store. So in this case, let's find out this particular application called Link to Windows. So just get to Link to Windows, click on it, then click on delete. Once you click on delete, then you should see this pop up, then go ahead and click on delete. This is going to delete the application from your iPhone storage and app menu. Now, to permanently delete this app from the App Store, then go ahead and click on App Store to open it. So confirm your Face ID of your passcode. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Then locate and click on Apps, and then hang on. Under Apps, click on My Apps. Now, to permanently delete apps from App Store on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to where you see Not on this iPhone, and then you should see all the applications you've uninstalled or deleted from your iPhone. What you simply need to do is swipe left and then click on Hide. So swipe left, click on Hide, swipe left, click on the Hide. So you need to repeat this on all the applications you want to delete permanently from App Store, and after that click on Done. Now if you repeat the same thing again by clicking on the profile picture, click on Apps, select My Apps, then you should see all this application removed from the App Store, and then you're good. So that is basically how to permanently delete apps from App Store on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.